Alright, so today we are talking about the SAMR model, which was designed to help educators infuse technology into the classroom teaching and learning. This is an excellent tool used to promote higher order thinking in students in the classroom. It is because of this that the model links very closely to Bloom's taxonomy. Each step of the SAMR model can be seen as steps on a ladder, where the technology changes and in a way advances through the stages. It is also an excellent tool to use when differentiating for students, as some students may be at different levels in their ability to use digital technologies. The goal for using this model is to transform the learning experience to result in higher levels of achievement for students. Personally, I think that this model can work very well and for a variety of different subject areas. There are many lesson plans, activities and assessment tasks that are based on this model. The activity that I will be going through today highlights each aspect of the SAMR model and is something that I will look at using in my classroom in the future. In this activity, the students are going to create a narrative story. I will explain what will happen during each of the steps on the SAMR model. The first step of the SAMR model is substitution, which simply means substituting the original way of doing a task with technology. For this task, it is simply writing a story on a word processor on the computer as a substitute for traditional pen and paper. I'll just wait for this one to load. There I am. Now the second step is augmentation, which means to substitute traditional with technology for functional improvement. The good thing about word processors are that they allow you to do spell and grammar check and to format your work by adding paragraphs or by doing the auto formatting function. By doing one of these things, it means that the students are simply improving their work with the substituted technology. The third step is modification. This is where the SAMR model begins to promote higher order thinking. For this step, the technology begins to redesign the task by changing aspects of it. The modification for this task would be getting the students to write this story on Google Docs or a similar program, as it would allow the students to collaborate on the story and provide real-time feedback. It also allows for the teacher to provide real-time feedback and aspects of the story that could be changed. The final step on the SAMR model is redefinition. There I am as a little baby. Oh, that is one ugly baby. Redefinition, which allows new tasks to be created using technology that would otherwise not be able to be created. Feeling a bit hungry. To redefine this task, students could create a storyboard on a website like Storyboard That, or they could create stop motion on their iPads using iStop Motion. The ideas for this are limitless. Oh yes. And when using technology, it's a good way for students to show their creative side and be in charge of their own learning. Final thoughts on the SAMR model. It will have a positive impact on the class in the future, as it allows teachers to redesign tasks to promote higher order thinking. It allows teachers to differentiate and can be used in a variety of subject areas in a variety of different ways. There we go. Alright. Can't wait to implement this.